they wanna know about the boy, know about the boy, they wanna know about the boy, know about the boy, they wanna. I stay fresh, I'm flat as Big Bird.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Mills from Kicks and Collectibles. Now, I got something a little off-brand, not off-brand. That's probably the Reebok is not off-brand, but I'm not really somebody to wear Reeboks too often. But I was at work the other day, and this guy Chris came up to me. He knows I like kicks and whatnot. He was like, Mills, I got these kicks off ASOS. And they're fire. I'm like, man, stop lying. He showed me. I brought him in enough. Now, the good thing about these, Reebok is a solid brand, right? And as you can tell from the box, these are Reebok classics. Now, I only paid 75 pounds for these off ASOS. I think I ordered them like Friday. They got delivered today. Got in from work, saw the package, I'm happy as fuck. Now, the reason why I got these is simple. They look fucking good. And I'll be honest, I've looked on the Reebok website and I can't see them. It's kind of like this is an ASOS exclusive. Now, man, look, you can't be mad at this. I mean, the colorway, the block colors by themselves, make this sneaker a must-have for anybody. And the price point, bro, summer's in effect. These kicks can't go wrong. I mean, the purple, the teal, the Vault, you just look at this sneaker. This is it's just nice. It's simple. You're gonna feel good wearing this. It does come in another colorway. I wasn't really feeling it. This one's bright. I love the little Reebok logo down there. Now, the sneaker itself is 50% coated leather, 50% textile. The lining is 100% textile. It's soft, it's padded, it's cool. It's just a Reebok classic, but not like I've seen them. I'm gonna put up a picture of a regular Reebok classic up in the corner here so you can see. It's just one of those kicks that I would genuinely say it's a must-have. If you don't have this kick, just go ahead and buy it. I mean, 75 pounds, it's got some nice little detailing. Feels pretty solid. I mean, pulling the shit out of that, that's cool. I like this. This reminds me of, how it is on some of them Nike kicks. They've got that. I just like how this all look. We're gonna see what it look like on feet in a second. But yeah, these are, you just can't be mad at these. Tell me that don't look fire. I mean, you got these and a pair of Air Force Ones. You gonna choose probably the Air Force One. I'm gonna be honest. I ain't gonna lie. You gonna choose the Air Force One, but at the same time, you still want to have this in your collection. They're just good kicks. I mean, this is I'll even show you the website. So look, there they are right now. ASOS, 75 pounds. I ain't lying. Go buy them, man. You could buy one of these a month if you just wanted fresh kicks, or if you a little more up, you could buy one of these a week. Just stay looking fresh on Monday. Every Monday, just buy a new pair. And you cool. You don't have to worry. I mean, look, who mad at this? The colorway by itself makes this worth it. Man, go pick this up, man. ASOS.com. Not sponsored, but somebody get at me with a sponsorship line.
They wanna know about the boy, know about the boy. They wanna